Okay, leaders, time for spring cleaning. No, I don't mean at home. I'm talking about at work. Do me a favor. Go check your calendar right now. How many of your recurring meetings, the ones you own, are still necessary? Could they be an email? Be honest. If those meetings could really just be an email, do yourself and the people who attend a favor. Make it an email. How many recurring meetings that you don't own, you attend but get nothing out of? Can you send somebody else? Maybe somebody who is looking for a little more responsibility, and so it would be fun to have some visibility for them by attending that meeting instead of you. Besides meetings, what tasks do you do on a very regular basis? Maybe it's producing a document. Do the recipients of that document still need it? If you didn't create it once, would anybody notice? You might want to test it out or just ask, do you guys still need this? Does anybody actually look at it? Is it still serving its purpose? Spring cleaning at work. Give it a try. If you've been enjoying the leadership tips, check out more at empoweredleaders.academy. And while you're there, sign up for my newsletter.